Hey, what's up guys? By the way, I'm Dan and welcome to MonkeyPlays. So guys, this will be a very short video but before anything else, kukunin ko lang yung kasama ko. Wait lang. So yun nga guys, ayan, kasama ko na siya. So say hi Ben. Ayan. So guys, yun nga, sinabi ko nga that this will be a very short video. We're not going to unbox a game or know how to play a game or magche-check lang ng game. Today, I just want to say thank you for everyone who supported me to this journey. Yes, nagti-thank you kami ni Ben at saka ni Sam. Wala lang si Sam kasi nasa bakasyon. Pero, thank you very much to all the people who supported me to this journey sa channel na to. We already hit our very first 1,000 subscribers. Yes! Yes, na-hit na natin siya. And marami na kaming banana. Ayan, may banana si Benj. So thank you sa mga taong nag-support sa akin. Especially to my little brother who supported me kahit na dati inaasar niya ako na hanggang 10 subscriber lang daw ako. Pero still, he still to support me lagi sa likod ng camera. Siya yung laging humahawak ng camera or nagte-take siya ng mga, pag may mga take 1, take 2, take 3, mga ganon. So, thank you pa rin sa little bro ko. Nandiyan siya ngayon sa likod ng camera. Ayan. And also, thank you very much to my friends na nag-support sa akin sa journey na ito. They are the one who encouraged me to pursue this journey kasi nga, alam nila na camera shy ako, hindi ako mahilig magsalita ng nakaharap sa camera. Pero, they still encourage me to do it kasi yun nga, kailangan kong gawin to para maging mas malakas ako at mas matuto ako. So, thank you very much for that. And also, thank you very much sa lahat na nakasubscribe na dito. Thank you for watching my videos, sharing it, liking it, giving comments. I'm reading your comments. Thank you very much for all of that. And kung nanonood ka ngayon at hindi ka pa subscriber, hit mo na yung subscribe button at idamay mo na yung notification bell. Para mas maging masaya, diba? I-share mo na rin sa mga friends mo and family mo. So guys, this is the end of this video. Babay muna, Benj. Ibabay ka muna. Ayan. So guys, see you and it's a wrap.